Alligators are scary. Yes?
Yes.
No? Yes. But you like alligator? But you like alligators? You like?
Yes.
Okay, let's spell alligator. Okay, A
A
L
L
L
L
I
I
G
C
G
G
A
A
T
T
O
O
R.
R
Alligator.
alligator.
Yes. Okay, it's your turn, Usok. This is
Apple.
apple. 2.
X
X. 3.
ant
Ant. 4.
alligator.
Alligator. Very good. Now let's skip this. Let's have letter B. Okay? Yes?
Yes.
Look, what is this?
Bear.
A bear. Big bear. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Did you see a bear? Did you
No.
see? No. Okay. Where can we see a bear? Where can we see a bear? At the Z O O zoo? Do you know zoo? Zoo?
Don't
Yes?
know.
No. Yes. Okay. Let's start with number 1 as
Pear.
bear for B
B
E
E
A
A
R.
R.
Bear. Number 2. What is this? What is this?